car starts. You okay?
Yeah.
Check that out. Guten Morgen. Third day riding today. We are at the Iron Giant. Feeling a little tired. No, don't bring it. Bring the sandwiches, bring the apple. And I got a new pair of pants on today. They're camo green. I'm feeling really fresh though. Tired, but fresh. Mainly because of my new pants. First day wearing the camo green.
Ready?
Let's do it.
How's your sandwich, Colton?
Like Sahara Desert. Dry. I might dip it in my coffee.
How will you serve the world? What do they need that your talent can provide? So the effect you have on others is the most valuable currency there is.
Check out these badass trucks. Check these things out. This is crazy. That thing is massive. That thing is massive.
That's what she said.
For example, here's the tire. Yeah, it doesn't look like much next to this massive mountain, but put the camera down. Got my number, man.
Your number?
Yeah.
10?
Just kidding. I got number 10. It's okay.
But he's one.
He's one. So you're number 1. So you better be fast today. Yes, you better be good.
I'm the fastest.
No, good. Yeah, that's why number 1.
Wichtig, alle haben einen Latzer, das ist das orange Scheine da. Bleibt bei Hand, wer ohne Latz erwischt wird, oder gewollte. Car starts. You okay? You okay? Teamwork. The teamwork. Leave no man behind. Yeah. He gets up. Help him, Josh. Help him, Josh. Hey. 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 Hey.
Oh no. Oh no. This is getting so bad. This is not good. 4 guys, 1 bike. Oh no. Oh no, your bike. Your pretty bike. Oh god, it sounds so bad. Oh, teamwork. Oh man.
No help zone.
No help zone next time. Just got done with the first day morning session. Rode a lot of the good sections. At least a couple that I wanted to, for sure. It sounds like a couple of the other ones aren't going to be open for me to ride because they're mining them and stuff. But overall, pretty fun. The group of guys I'm riding with are pretty funny. Some of them are smoking cigarettes on the trail on the brakes and.
Ja. Some energy, you know?
These hills are killing me, man. Think I could have a smoke?
A bong and a blitz? Smoking a pancake? Others are ordering pizzas. It's kind of crazy. Second ham and cheese of the day. I actually have some salami on this one.
Crazy guy.
Josh, what are you doing?
Not making it!
You, Shirko! Stop turning the throttle off!
This?
Throttle always on! Clutch!
Yes.
Clutch all the time! Clutch, 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 clutch!
Okay.
Full gas! Never let it off!
Yes.
Never! Fucking guy.
I think that was better.
This guy's so happy. He rode all day today.
Yeah.
He got to ride the ERZBERG Iron Giant all day.
I did a couple
Look at
sections,
his face.
man.
Look at his face. It's full of dirt. He's still smiling. He's changing tires and he's still happy.
I know, it was
how happy
great.
he is.
I was pumped the whole time.
You know what will
man.
only make you happier? You know what will only make you happier, Josh?
Snickers.
Just a wiener in your mouth.
Can't even.
Yeah, that's right.